Today we're ditching those messy and low quality charging cables and upgrading to these high quality, nylon braided, tangle free, magnetic charging cables from Magtame. And they come shipped to your door, ready to charge your devices too. To start off, we decided to test the USB to USB-C cable, as well as the USB-C to USB-C cable to fast charge our devices. Right off the bat, the magnetic design is so cool. As you coil the cable together, it connects and holds firm to cut down on clutter. I also really like the way the braided cables look. They catch your eye and aren't going to be easy to lose. Speaking of which, the compact size lets you pack it in your bag and bring it with you. Or you can even coil it around your wrist and wear it as a bracelet when you're out and about. This cable's magnetic design is able to pick up loose bottle caps off the floor. It's even strong enough to hold itself against my metal locker. Now, I will always know where my cables are. If you get multiple of these, you can also magnet them together to keep all your cables organized and ready when you need them. Now, can these cables actually charge your devices? And the answer is, obviously yes. You just need your own charging bricks or power supply. I got the USB to USB-C cable to charge my standard devices, and then the USB-C to USB-C cable to fast charge my phone. My phone was about dead, so I connected it to a charger and monitored the input through a battery app. I left it charging for an hour, and it had a full charge by the time I got back. It charged my phone so much faster than my old standard charger. But it's worth noting that if your phone doesn't have fast charging capabilities, this charger will just give it the max input it's able to receive. I left a standard charging phone on it for an hour, and it got up to 57% battery. So if you don't have a fast charging phone, the USB to USB-C cable will work just fine and give you about the same performance. So yeah, I'm loving our new charging cables. I can charge all my devices, and then neatly wrap them up and have them ready for next time. Now we can cut down on clutter and make sure our devices are charged by the best cables. They almost seem to remember their coil pattern and just fall back into place, making these so easy to use. It's too cool. So if you'd like to charge your devices with the best cables possible as well, these cables from Magtame might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go top off the charge on my phone. See ya!